Mariam, keep your noise down. Family, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever on a day. And welcome to the program Inside Salone today, where they broadcast live on Facebook. Now the Then and Now Media Empire, where they broadcast live on Facebook. Me, now na host and presenter, Mohamed Kamara, commonly known as Supermed. And today, na Saturday, the 3rd of October, 2020. Family, first of all, I want to say sorry for the delay in coming live. We get some plenty technical difficulties, but we thank God it's all been sorted now. We guests don't go out. Hopefully, they anticipate it will join me very soon. So I admonish you now all, please, I want to share this program. Because what you know today we're going to talk about plenty important issues then. So I urge you now all, please now continue for share the program. And I know say inside the program today, we'll get Comrade Quetta, the brother they call Amadou Quetta, commonly known as Comrade Quetta, na the social media circle. And as I talk so right now, any party for January, we can join you very soon. Exactly, so they time for January now, and we tell God thank you for well, God don't make we will get this particular interview going because like what I tell you, we'll get plenty important issues then for can discuss now today. So ladies and gentlemen, fellow Sierra Leoneans, please now continue for share this program. We now continue for share, and we're sorry for the delay in time, which now due to technical difficulties. But please, we now continue for share. We now continue for share. We get hello and welcome, Comrade Quetta. Do you hear me?
I get you loud and clear.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother. You know, I just tell the brothers and sisters in the chat room and continue for share this particular program because today we get plenty important issues that we can talk about. You know, we always see what's happening recently, and this brother we're very conversant with the issues in the salon. Now, we don't suffer hate because of our political beliefs. And we don't suffer a lot because of what he believe politically and where he stand for him. So I believe say plenty people them but they look forward for a gift from this Maya. So live and direct. Now this program called Inside Salone today, where they broadcast at the Then and Now Media Empire live on Facebook. So family, please continue for share. First of all, Comrade Quetta, I want let you say hello to Fambulem.
Good evening, fellow Sierra Leoneans, depend to the parts of the world. We unadi, miwa they talk, mina Comrade Quetta. The Maui stand for say the truth, the voice of the voiceless, and we ready for expose the hidden things them where this bad SLP government they do towards Sierra Leoneans, irrespective of the different political party where you did, because making talk on issues that affect Sierra Leoneans in general, and they talk on things that affect just the APC or SLPP.
Okay, thank you very much, brother Comrade Quetta. And we're very happy for get somebody like you when a patriotic and progressive Sierra Leonean will stand for the truth for that country and Tinap Tiangawan for talk for the people in Sierra Leone. And before going any further again, I want to welcome people in the chat room. And brother Unisa Patrick Kamara, you're welcome. We also want to say hello to Usman Conte, hello to brother Ibrahim Sisse, sister Kadiatu Jallo, welcome. And brother Melvin Thomas, thank you and welcome. We're all welcome. We're views them highly welcome on this platform here. We want to thank you plenty. And we want to continue for action for continue for share this program. Because they call say this brother and a brother were very conversant with the issues them where they affect our country. And I'm now waiting up for talk for Sierra Leoneans them, despite some political persuasion. Again, brother Comrade Quetta, I believe say before we go any further, before we talk about current issues them. One big thing we will be happy to talk about our last interview. Now we country where Sierra Leoneans don't seem to forget right now. When a very important issue. What will they talk about when the massacre will take place at Panemba Road? We want for the benefit of people who are journey today, because you be there. Like what I said, you're not possible be there because of your political belief. What you like just give a background of what be happen. As far as you be know, what precipitates to that particular demonstration or riot day. And what happened in response, what make so many people get massacred for that particular incident.
Well, make you always start to tell people and say, no, just look at what thing happen. And so they look at the causes. If we not check the cause, they will not be able to know the solution because that the cause why it happened. Panema Road was peaceful, was very quiet. If them people live inside it like a village than they, because one thing people have understand, when they go to jail, the only thing they deprive you of, your time is considered to be zero until you come out of jail. But something in the way that a privilege, we supposed to get them when necessitating them, like you get right to exercise, you get right to better food, medical facility, you get right to family visits, and other things. When we go to Panema Road on the 22nd of March, men at Preparo Cote 2020 this year, well, we fortunately for me to the worst way ever in the history of Panema Road. We will go from the 22nd, from the 23rd, we are in complete isolation in a solitary confinement. So, and we've been faced with multiple humiliations and multiple intimidations, meaning that they search me 2-3 times a day.
Before you go ahead, I just want to interject that particular point to make you explain to people, because it's going to be there in solitary confinement. What's in a solitary confinement and who's kind of condition when I be Oluna?
Well, when I say solitary confinement, now like when they put you inside cell, like when in a room, somebody lock you inside a room, you know, come on at all, just day and night. They're not like under solitary confinement, we are in isolation again. Because we then jail inside Panema Road, we've been there for the remind and isolation in solitary confinement and full day, we go up all female, we did back in this isolation in solitary confinement and full day, and we collapsing on the 23rd night. We then go and build a fence again between we all on a building and fence the places and still always see outside. In an isolation, then we did solitary confinement. Not to just an solitary confinement, meaning we did isolation, they would inside cell, we don't want to do at all, both day and night, we don't get access for sin at all. If they see them open for me that morning and for just do tea, to breakfast, they lock, around 12 then come to lunch fast tomorrow again that morning they open, then go breakfast and lock. For 32 days.
Wow.
So then that's solitary confinement. So we've been there, we will not be able to happen. Of course, we will ask the prison officers them as a which crime will commit. When they could not for command at all, when they could not will come to image them. The one where they kill people, I tell them, the murderers them, the armed robbers them, the rapists them. Then they play, then they go play football, then they won the money, they come out and they mix to them, then they play with their colleagues, and they get a better food for eat, and they get access to them company them. For at least let them ease the stress. What do we do now? Me and Paul, we could not command at all. So the question they never answer is that orders from above, and specifically it's in orders they give from Lima. I will get an officer who will be remind the time they just left follow it up at least they want to come in, they play football and opening isolation. He gets up with the they call Alicious and Lima here in the prison. Then call them on the 22nd, we make the take on the 22nd, can we now complete solitary confinement, we don't see that do at all. So we'll be faced with so many intimidation and humiliation day, meaning they start with day and night. Monitoring, then they can't just come open yourself, with heavy security, police, the OSG, CID them, prison officers them, inside prison, when that prison officers they do their work. Then they go through that, start scatter of things they left and like any common criminals, then they lock back, then a net back around their 7 is they will catch even the other one. Around then 10, 11, that's 1 o'clock. So we'll be patient later. It was orchestrated by the government. In particular, the Lima, so the DG say Joseph Lamboy. This is a man who not have prison for 40 years. Here in deputy, with a Haman. They all done a job for over 40 years. A job where they can start from under the officer to the rank of DG. Meaning, if you understand the prison better than any other person. I asked them, I say, why you serve 40 years? They treat you this kind of election common criminals. They couldn't explain. So, they start and later they plan of the only thing they could do for eliminatory, maybe they don't get base over them, that for change the whole prison in condition. Then begin extending certain now to the other immediate. day and night. So even the company image now don't become disgruntled to be at times, then they begin costing empower content from 7 o'clock evening, say then 12, 1. There's no right to the jail don't for them. So we face with simulations from the prison, especially the Director General. Even we be complete incommunicado, we don't get contact with nothing, not even with lawyers them. We don't even access to lawyers and everything. So we know it's like our lives are not safe. We call it immediate, then they cost we, then they terrorist for kill we, then the prison they give adequate security. So now that kind of condition of the DPAM. So it begin the team begin gradually, they can't cut off now, they begin search the jail man, then they take their property, then take their food them. One day they just say they cut off visits. All visits they cut off. Well, normally sometimes they cut off visits will go to call blind visits, meaning you know if people will they must send for you money, send for you all that in there for let you help yourself at the jail. They can't cut off that blind visit again, meaning nobody got nothing for you inside jail. They not have the jail being able to go to shop. They sell cigarettes, they sell butter, sell all that in there for help you. At least you will make your own food for yourself because I tell you the food they cook up at road. Even the hog that they need that kind of food than they. There's nothing good for talk about. If you see soup, if you say that person if you did, you know what we do in a mortar man, then they cook for that kind of food day. At this time of the world, where the world don't civilize levelly. So they can't check now. The don't get no way, they don't get better food, they don't get way again. When they go cut, you know they cut 110 they don't lock the shop. So the problem begin develop. So the image then begin become disgruntled. So they disgruntled now we like saying that men follow content, we don't go to the jail. They begin complaining for food, begin complaining for other things where they need to get. The DG go to the extent to say even the officers them when they go guard we, they not forget 1,000 inside the jail. Just for letting suffer, they're facing them for letting suffer we. But at the end of the day, we be able to compose because we some of who been prepared for what thing that happen, we been prepared for the worst. Well, we'll not be expected to treat people like any common criminals, but in treat that way, they will make the jailman begin this gun to small. We will ask them questions. Why would they believe so? They say that orders from above. They say that quote unquote, they say that from the Internal Affairs Ministry that they tell those for doing. It got to a time for them know how much in the military. One time we did at jail, before that riots happened, the only person who know inside the prison that the president and the vice president. Every other person, imagine. IG, they go inside jail. CDS, they go inside jail. The head of ONS, they all go to jail and they just go watch me and Paul today. For them, make sure we they in complete isolation in solitary confinement. Would they sell them? Would the people at the man would they even check if that's true? That's all happened. So the image they can say, well, for 2 people let's say, or maybe 4 people let's say, when I look at for everybody, the disgruntlement begin come up. I remember what I don't for we. I mean, say full money for we. The battle they buy for we come be image and tell what all. They agree the period of silence. Imagine the run level day. Now I tell them say the problem no say the jail don't change. When I tell them boss, let them slack the other Monday. If I mean Paul come no more, okay, we fine. But I slack the jail. So the causes why it happened. Don't what happen with the look at what make it happen. I tell you say it was well planned. It was well planned and planned for do this year. So that thing for be happening, they forget rid of we. That is simple. And the one academic disciplines, you get for look at, we don't need strong government, we need strong institution. Joseph Lambert with the DG, he does have 40 years, he just get a few months for let go, let he left the job, then use them and misuse them, if allowed. Any of other man, the power we say orders from above. I remember President Bill, we can governance newly, in the campus orders from above. I can tell the people at the world really listen to me. See, the orders from above, we don't have government, you know, whoever gets inside salon, even on the RF, you know, indeed. Everything was controlled by the government outside. That's why they run the jail they run by the government. Day to day activities, the only thing that put in there, they tell everything for do. So that's how the thing develop. They don't say they plan the image they plan, say they for run away, no? They don't plan it for Goodbrook jail, but because the conditions are not favorable, they don't tie the jail that in cause that April 29, when we call the untold truth.
Okay, thank you very much again, Comrade Quetta. We do that talk of background because it's very important. Like what you say no more, so things that just happen like in isolation. There must be root cause, there must be reason. So some of them is they don't highlight them. I believe say plenty people them don't understand and no say yes. Waiting be happening at Panemba Road, it not just happen no more in isolation. It happened because of the kind inhumane treatment when the prisoner they face and how them they suffer. Now he make themselves decide for make that protest day. Then so the fruitful day when the protest take place, waiting really how it begin, how the protest begin and how it escalate to a level where external securities force and Kande and massacre people and massacre people and so.
In the first place, if you don't plan for killing people and kill in particular, who they don't target for kill, they're not going to kill a single person at jail. Normally, jail will open 7 o'clock to 5 or 6 or at the time when they want for lockup. Now, that day on the 29th of April, they not open the jail till don't pass 7, till don't pass 8. Normally, they can the most for that open. It's okay. Now, when I imagine, Parema don't get toilet. People live in that jail like 4 tenths live. Even the 4 tenths live, they don't live so. Saturday for what? If you go see 12 o'clock, you see all man that snap naked, the back of the block in the worst place. Then even the slaves force, they were treated fine. The boy they say when they open for people that do not open, make people put it out because the people they put in the toilet. There's no open the jail. There's no can search. Well, and two people in isolation, so they will not get to copy the body. They will hearing the noise and they warn them. They begin knocking the motor. They knock like an hour. They don't open. Well, me. It's normal to know not useful. They just knock, no say they go open. That's what we take up for. So and two this will come in there. So I just like it got to a time around they got to 9. Now I heard huge noise. Was everything I was able to snap and watch that room. I saw the soldiers coming inside the jail. They're not fight. And these soldiers are people from the president's lodge. One of the ones who I identified, and one out of class 1, when they call RSM Matia. Because I know them before this time. I saw them coming inside the lodge with some OS them inside the jail. I see them over a huge number they come out from where I don't go by the Maru, blinding and force. So I shocked because let me tell you something. There is no way you can open it. You sell that Parema Road if you know people from outside, they don't lock you. If they lock you from outside until they can't open you. So when I see this crowd, they come out, I first say, I said, who don't open this jail? That and the body don't go out of control. So they open Wilberforce. Wilberforce go open blinding. Blinding go open how Odvoren can last to win a vaccine. In fact, when they can't vaccine, like in the 30 now we in policy, then they can't kill you because I will make them tie them. That was their plan. The only person where they can rescue at that time, that late Tanibola, may so rest in peace. I make one clear anything in the air. That bad way they say they send Tanibola for go kill me in jail. I want to say categorically Tanibola was forced to murder. And the prison of Sandra they killed him. He was not shot. For say the bar no. Now in can rescue at that moment. Now in can challenge in company them where they're able. Then God just cannot eat because at that time we are helpless. He made them like I saw so many things. Sharp objects and can't be there. Not come for camp. We come for camp army. But as in the camp, some of them between themselves and some moving from outside and begin defend. Since the Ebola can in the Bobowe camp. A kind of rescue at that moment, we make that possible three camp for camp army. So we be in hell. They battle them. They still come on. So they want possible gonna do. Now tell them so now we they want kill. If we gonna do, now we the kill. And they never fired a single shot until they see that crowd all down like we inside jail 1,460. We all man don't kind of class in. The same way they see that crowd is more classy. They send the soldiers them, the OS them. They give us sporadically. Sporadic firing meaning in any peak, and it's pathetic. I saw soldiers firing at civilians just like animals. I saw the OS them from the state lord firing at people like even if the fact is they can't be able. You need to do so they forget they don't have anything. They talk about professionality. How you go found armed civilian and inmates inside jail, not outside the jail. Nobody was shot outside the prison. These are people that come for riot. Imagine before this thing happened, they get over 200 soldiers and always deployed right on Parema Road. They did the OSC then guess they already deployed for right on Parema Road. If that riot don't start, why they not be the first place where they enter inside for stop? If not so well planted by the government.
Come on, before you go any further, because they give you a thorough analysis account of actually what happened. We already say investigation they go ahead in relation to what happened at Parema Road. Any of the investigations, they don't ever contact you for get an account of really what happened because you're an eyewitness. You're not part and parcel. You be detained there. You see things in. Any of them don't actually contact you for ask you, say, hey, what you see? You able to give you some sort of evidence or give you some account of what happened?
No, they don't contact me. In fact, if anyone contact me, I don't agree because I may be rearrested again. Mind you, remember, say, I've been arrested on February for a case where not because I defend an innocent citizen or ever I not meet them, where I say limit my security, not use the rules of engagement. So if they put that case, then charge me 25 count charge. I go to magistrate, I free them, then rearrest me again. So me no go talk to any somebody from Salone, because if I give them this information, now the only platform to me where me go, yeah, people them understand exactly what's happening. They not ever contact me. In fact, some of them have the target. Who the isolation, me like me, then see me and Paulo plan the thing. Now who plan for let them broke the jail. Well, me I agree, but who how go broke jail? But say who there is isolation, who means to get for to come to jail Monday. Then after Monday, then get over 200 police and soldiers they will deploy right around Panama Road. If an else happen at jail, then for be the first puller for enter inside and stop the riot. Let me tell you something. If you enter on a 1 2 shots up, all man go inside cell. Riots not happen at any jail. But if they enter and 1 2 shots, 1 shot up, they threat all man go inside cell. But this they orchestrate them, then people say we will be so stupid that we don't want to see on a roof who come on them, no? What they can let me tell them just run from one block to another, come on classing, carry by force, go Howard, go blind, go. They're just confused. And nobody they're not just going to talk and tell them. I can remember the Monday we went to them cook them scatter the food. They say, oh, then we're going to test when I don't lock the shop, when I want to kill you now, yeah, when I want to kill you, when I need to fine. Then we are saying this thing, so like a surprise. And the DG, are we about this thing? I can definitely say the number of people ever responsible for put up in the road, now the administration, the DG, whether the deputy, the head staff that are responsible for the under. Let me tell you something. I'm going to see that very wicked. I can still remember one time the way company Paulo Conte. A cell overflow with toilets. They can't open the manager day, James one to pretend the gym. James, he opened the cell. He made the man cell not overflow toilet. Me and one of the cell, all the cell they do nobody. He know he will change that man from his cell. He allowed Paulo Conte to sleep inside his cell with that toilet day. Overflow all the floor of that physically. So, okay. Like you say, the plan for now we get all kinds of the plan for like for the end inside that jail.
Okay, thank you very much, Comrade Koita, because I mean, these accounts where they give so, yes, we know say maybe the powers to be today, they need to talk about time because this thing don't go quiet now. But we in this platform, we they treat all Sierra Leoneans them as one. We believe say this nothing where thorough investigation for take place and people who are responsible for that massacre they should be held accountable. Because the Kwedi Boy they try for talking also, it not mean say when you're in a Palemba Road, you don't lost all your rights. No, you still get rights as a Sierra Leonean, as a human being, for live to the life of life, the sanctity of life, you still get her. So therefore treat you with respect and honor like how they treat anybody. So it not mean say somebody for come out, go massacre you. Like, there are many ways for deal with people who they riots in prison. Like what the brother don't highlight. So I mean, you can fire one in short. Fire tear gas, many ways for controlling people in the, but they not do them. So one day we believe say, then say, how would they continue for archives them and time go come, then case they are they go must prosecute somebody. People have to be held accountable because now more time and now borders and lost their life by this incident. And it's really terrible because even according to the government figure, they said 31 people, including one prison officer, and they died. And I believe that some people in this way they died, they tell people they don't know. But they're going to tell them, what will happen? When the riots will not happen now? When people don't go to Napa on their own block, you say, let's for what they call tiny ball and then come to a rescue. What in the security people and do now later? Because we also get information, say, them be moving and selling them. All man they get all different information. What may actually transpire between UNA and the authorities them, where this guy don't broke out, where they don't kill people them. What in them end up for do now?
Well, let me tell you, but wait about security. The young people when they for isolate with them, even put not all prisoners that go so with the username for Paulo Conte. Well, later the hunter become haunted. Instead of let's security now we in top of security, the police will come in the rock, they so to come to the man and say, "Bia, when I know that, now we protect your own land the country." Now look at it now, stay until you pay or keep him down. Let me tell you something. I saw injustice in jail. I saw pains, and I have it in my mind. The only way we had to rest, that we can put people accountable for what happened on April 29, because we are Sierra Leoneans. No matter the crime of the person, we declare the law dealing with the person. But these people then do it with impunity. So many people then kill them, not even by bullets. They were beaten to death like Tani Bolana. And other people they kill us impunity. Let me tell you, second that in dishonest. The first number they pull say 9 died, they say that 5. Later they say 31. Let them show the number where he sleep in jail on April 29. Before 29, 28, the number they fire. They know. I can tell you this category, they murdered over 100 people. They murder over that. I can tell you this for free. Then know the figure. If they don't get the figure, tell the cow the way we will pull the figure correct one. The day will reach way people for be very responsible. One thing people don't understand. The non-type people for what happened during the Second World War. Then they call officer who's okay to do that. They are at jail. The PC, this case they die. So if we go stand for that until we see justice prevail. What that happened that day on April 29? When they come for can't take me from the Paulo Conte, with four or three, me from the Paulo Conte use and connect in that be in isolation in solitary confinement, then take Albert George Williams and work at Rami in and other scientists in the isolation area. When they come for Camp Pulvi, we see humiliation. We face so many things them. You see officers, prison officers, police, they will not we. Then go hit we day in handcuff. We day nearly 12 hours without food and water, barefooted, with handcuff now and then bare back. Then take we from Paremba Road to CID, to OSD headquarters, to Kokri, up River Post, at last around 6 o'clock, and then go to the special court. And nobody knows how they. And then deprive from even and nobody ever knows how they. Let me tell you something. All the things they talk against them, it was not those who seen alive. They told the community Paremba Road on the 29th in the morning when they march out for camp. Me, Paulo Conte, Colonel Sina use. These are officers from the presence of law. These are prison officers who do my deal. Then they try to see, then they go inject you. Then they give food poison. Then they talk clearly, they know they hide. Then they tell you. Now they go to go inject you. Now they go to put poison. Now it's they can't do so. They can't book Paremba Road because they still want catapult the thing on top of it. When they go to jail, they put a solution. They still want put a part of them. Forget about the battle they do. They forget about the instruction they take from Liberty. They don't allow food not to go inside. They forget about the instruction they take from ONSC. They for lock the talk shop. They not lock the shop because of all the matter because of where we and Paulo go inside jail. The shop is open. Now people buy them butter, buy them bread, buy other things that for me themselves comfortable. And I always tell people, see, when you look at the Nelson Mandela rule, you see no one should stay in isolation for more than 24 hours. We spend isolation in a solitary confinement for 32 days. And at the isolation for 6 months. From jail, and one season. And all this have been the sky. Now just isolation. Who call to come back with isolation for 6 months. So not talking about it. This is a continuous play. And I can tell that for free. Come to follow up to date. As I told us, so in isolation. Up to date, you know, to get access like other email them. So now imagine from March to date, somebody in isolation. They don't get access at just small size, like 20 minutes at distance, night the worker. Me, so from where I come out, I get a problem with my knee, I get off my back because we don't get sight for sit-down. You know, the short side, you don't get sight for work, I don't get any exercise. Up till now, I get a pain now on my back and my knee. And I imagine now that man, 63-year-old man, was in isolation for over 7 months now.
Wow, what did they talk? So please, people in the chat room now continue for share this program. If I let plenty of Uyeri exactly from the horse's mouth. This time the brother Amadou Quetta, commonly known as Comrade Quetta, when I social media commentator as well, when they talk about issues that were relevant to Salone politics and Salone people. Now, possibly this when they talk for the benefit of Salone people. Like when they talk about, so me don't listen to most of your news them, and then they talk for political party no more, and they talk for Salone people. So we appreciate them very much at this platform here. And I want to talk about say tomorrow at this platform, we'll get a double one episode on this particular platform tomorrow. During the afternoon hours, 3 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. Salone time, we get people will be involved by the previous problem we get civil war again in that country. Then for the live na this platform here tomorrow. So please, una join we, una all join we na a very, very, very important interview because then people then get message for all Sierra Leoneans. Then also again, this same time, late night tomorrow, a panelist of NGC, C4C, SLPP, APC, and all the other main political parties, then get for them at this particular platform here. So with the CEO and founder of the platform, Mr. Prince Emil Kroma. So please, now watch out tomorrow for them program and a very, very important program. And me when they talk to me now, Mohamed Kama, many people they call me Supermed. And today we guess now again na Comrade Quetta. We don't talk to we and don't tell we don't give it an account of what be happen on that fateful day when most of the brothers them get massacred on Panemba Road. And him and other people they all as political prisoners, they all them because of their political belief. Now God no more cover them and save their life. They like today, God make we able to talk to them so live. Because anything would have happened to them that day. But God will tell God, thank you, God able to protect and guide them, and now they will give you account of what thing they happen. So, brother, Comrade Quetta, after all that one they don't pass, how you case be end now? Because you will not go to court again. What will be the final verdict by your case?
Well, as I can tell you, say, we get the say when you read the TRC report, they tell you say the judiciary and the police are the cause of the 1991 civil war. But before this time, we still get good judges and good magistrates. We still get good police officers. We still the way the support bad. Well, I was fortunate for go to a judge, one of the credible judges which I don't get now, where I think that in there among the few good ones, the way they know they need a ban for somebody will ban them. If been patient with me trial, I appeared before him 9 times with no witness. Imagine the Salone law say if somebody appeared at court 3 times without evidence, that matter for accused and discharge them. But because he was like they always try for intimidate him, try for humiliate him, if he stand firm, he get a chance, so many adjournments, we get so many last chance, they will make 9, they will change the prosecutor, this man one can't say no, not to use this matter, this man don't interfere out by new rights, because by right and I for run trials of court, I don't give him 9 times. So I could not. He said, I could not adjourn this matter again. Now he tell me, say, walk through your freedom. Now, on the 11th of August, 2020, I get my freedom. I win the matter. The matter was acquitted and discharged for lack of evidence. 9 times, 25 count charge from seditions libel, defamatory libel, incitement, subversion, perverting the cause of justice, intent to pervert the cause of justice, 25 count charge. You see how it's so reckless the police did, the present police, where they said the way that MK Aliu, Zaiza, with that Bamaja, and the law officers department, out of the 25 count charge, 19 count charge they read the same. What in this count 1 say, 9 count 2 say the same. They just make up because they're not able to charge me, but they see for that they fix for sentence me. Of course, they get a plan. They add perverting the cause of justice with intended to pervert the cause of justice because they're your maximum sentence and life imprisonment, which let them give me, or 10 years. So one of the two are for either 10 years or they give me life imprisonment. They add and they are not ever commit that kind of day. Because one theory says somebody pervert the cause of justice. One, where you go build person at court, the person run away. 2, you interfere for matter where in a court, like matter in a court, you go interfere for them, design for point. But they're not doing none of that. There's no matter about Lima in Bobo, that the same way it has just happened. Now see this is not that of engagement. So they make a 25 contract. Don't see the kind of police will get now. Well, I want to say for now, that the most danger police will get for now. Because they are highly political. Then they talk politics. I see MK Aliu confront everyone group of party if you want to pull uniform. I tell us let pull uniform body. I see if you want some talk politics, pull uniform and can't do resign. You can't join SLPP. They are not saying a politician for now. You're a policeman. Not to be able to get case. If I can investigate me the correct way, check the matter across if you wish to. You see by my dad, if they even talk politics, I was there na CID, na cell, where you go talk. I know they talk because of me. They say if you SLP not do for 10 years, they will divide this nation. And I was so bold for that say if we divide this not the filler. Because the geographical landscape of Salone, not people one tribe. He was so tribal and political. These are police officer and AIG. When the director of crime services, you see them. What would they? Then they even restrict people because they don't feel then they do very. In fact, let me tell you something today. The case I go to jail, not to keep going to study. I'm going to study by myself. They see me resign from the military, not about weapon. Me don't work out weapon. They go mercenary reserve. They make an audio. I get even police value and tell me that I'm not going to can't study because I know I don't get them. I can't for myself. I hand over myself to them. I said, I'm going to come recruit them. They get weapon and mute. Then go and investigate me. They start mute and left. They don't see nothing. They say case don't let them go. This is what case now. Imagine this supposed to go for yourself at police station. Say I mean they see I get weapon. Now when I go start mute. Then they one now for 7 life imprisonment for crime and no committee. When they will follow now, then take me back and connect me and follow together. Like say, you know, just because they one very important follow, the best thing they can do, they say let them see now. You don't let them make case against we. I tell you, why we always talk and say Salone be passed all not for today. We will not condemn the act here. Tomorrow if the government change, what's to happen? And everybody will mean well for Salone. No one knows what's happening because this particular regime, this particular government, where that president will lead. All the things they do, not recipe for chaos. Then not sharply divide Salone. We will not enough now to condemn them or try for self-policy enough fine. The worst is yet to happen.
Okay, thank you very much. I mean, for a very, very, really, really sad story. Because really, we are Sierra Leoneans, we need for show ourselves, we need for express love to one another, the way how they treat ourselves, regardless of political persuasion or differences. Because we all know one family, we all know one people, and the kind of experience when you face so, no Sierra Leonean are not supposed to face them, regardless of their political affiliation, and the kind of treatment, and the kind of way they endanger your life, and other people, and other political prisoners, and how they endanger their life, is really regrettable and sad. And then people in the way, like what you say no more so, up to today, even the Second World War, they still prosecute people when we commit crimes for that Second World War. So the time is time, and justice go one day go for happen for them people, and they will not go forget for them. I will continue for the highlighted issues and they. Family, please now continue for share. Like what I say no more, we at this platform here, we they talk for all Salone. This platform, na Salone platform, it belongs to we all Sierra Leoneans. We they treat people equally, no matter your political persuasion. So welcome on our commenter. We tell now, thank you plenty in the chat room. We tell now, thank you for the January, and do now continue for share. Comment quite like what they say no more. You don't give a background because plenty people want to know what really be transpire. Now, don't get a clarity this time around them. We'll tell you, thank you. The line is very, very much better today. So don't get a clear from what you see with your naked eye. So I believe, say, many people, at least the doubt some people get, this is don't clarify now. Also, again, you know, a social media commentator, when they talk about things, and one thing we don't talk about lately, now this white paper, we don't come out. We want to give you your own assessment about this white paper.
Well, as I tell you, say, me, I say, as I can start my topic, say, this country called Salone, Sierra Leone, a big pass everybody, meaning a big pass every other political party. And so do today, if it's a good thing, I can always help them and program say, if we do good today, we go benefit and we picking them, we can picking them, every generation yet unborn. If we do bad today, it will affect we picking them, we can picking them, every generation yet unborn. This white people are with them prove so in the first place to me that total rubbish. Now, political motivated witch hunt. You know, we all want like corruption done as a lobo, what in a genuine manner. Although they pray for fed corruption in a tribal line or political affiliation or regional line basis. If the president be serious of fed corruption, they get a corrupt government already, where they all work under President Nkrumah for 10 years. If they say President Nkrumah thief money, he said 10 years. Sajusu, now be finance secretary. Martin Dingy, now be the director of debt. He maintained them. He aids them up. Well, who they want hold up for corruption? If you say it's a corruption, Jenny Sandy, when I be former last minister, he get case at corruption already with the power. It's still like they appoint them again. And look, the commission of inquiry, they're not even call them. You get so many people where them work. You go to the defense, but all just a man where you not equaling a defense as director general. You left Kapua. We spent nearly 7 years as the general for corruption, and this past 6 years of corruption. If you don't know about a commission of inquiry, we won't accept them because one less alone be corrupt free. If you don't be corrupt free, but let corruption be like a disease. All about people near them. If you have fed corruption, it will be genuine. You need a person tribal line or regional line basis. You need to come, you don't create so much nepotism as alone, you say corruption. Now, if you don't set up a commission of inquiry, by law, the law them filing that the appeal court they not recognize that commission of inquiry. The Salomba is the biggest, the body of all the judges and lawyers them. Then go, they say they don't recognize them. Okay, you go ahead and do them. Now, the commission of inquiry, in your report, why would I not pull up first? Because we are not set up an inquiry, we are not spend so many taxpayers' money for that inquiry. The report, they not ever plan to do, then take that same report to accept them, go doctor them, then because they have forgotten because they have demonized the former president and the APC government. I can tell you, say, we know whatever say and woman in jail or the APC party, they be 100% correct. But what they then do for when they can't afford, how you condemn a whole government, say they not do nothing good. You see light, you see road, you see the medical facility improving, you see so many new hospitals them. When now you turn and say and build hospital and give like the road day, you see they not do nothing. 10 years, for more than can afford, would that chief minister, professor, the GTC report, the government transitional report, so they did this paper and that report, they're not the same. Because they call them premeditated, not already meditated for life and problem. How you look for president?
Let's stop that side, because that GTT report, where I like so, it's very important for the people to understand for this program today. The GTT report, now the transition report from one government to another. And me myself, I take me time,
yes.
I go read that GTT report today. In fact, the GTT report, some people will refer to and say, now I hate report. Because what the GTT reports do, it not only say, all man, now the previous administration corrupt, without no trial yet, no judge yet, no lukamo, so they don't try and convict all man. He also say people in a certain region and certain tribe that are responsible for the problem all in that country, which in itself is now 8 report. So now it precipitates this particular commission of inquiry. Exactly what you say. So many people have need for reader, many understand because now the precursor to the commission of inquiry. Now he called for the commission of inquiry. And what he don't say, really, many people don't say now say yes. Now he hates reports because you know they condemn one whole region or one whole tribe or people them all say they corrupt. And the funny thing is, Comrade Quetta, you just highlighted it again because you say people don't work at the previous regime, still they work with this current regime. And the GTT report say they're already at the previous regime, they're all corrupt. So why comes and still employ them?
He not just employ them, he elevates from them. Let me tell you something. What say you will not see when people and they sycophant them. I tell this government and sycophant government. If you come, you look for a President Nkrumah, somebody will own an insurance company by himself. If the money will be left for might use them, President Nkrumah be careful for bill pass 20 oaths without not some president. In insurance company where you get now, we become the biggest insurance company in alone. Let me just tell you, look, okay, I want to give an example of one insurance company do it come in just they're not even 10 years solid. We're in the IIT. Go look them the office of the building. The office of the building na Battle Street. I think that like 12-story building. You want to say na Salomon chief. Now insurance company, then get the money for them. How if you look at the thing, you see say they even involve former President Nkrumah in also where we not get before kind of power. They put the person they put you know say the man that just switch on for demonize the young the nice gentleman, the living legend making call and Salomon gets. President Nkrumah can do everything against you fall short them. But to be very honest, they are them for tell and thank you. Because it takes this country to another level. 2 years of President Nkrumah government don't need Salon as one of the fastest growing economy. We don't see so many companies on the side. Now we come to 3 years under President Joseph Abiu, one company, not even majestic company, not in Salon. No job, no deal. You see so many unemployment. You see the criminal rate not high because you don't do work. You see, say, then just try for demonize the former government. Okay, now let me tell you something. Then we can say the economy don't spoil. Then we can say the system rotting. They're sending a new direction. Then nothing for can't tell you again say that this that for fix the problem. If I talk say Supermed, this you go say away this so you not fine. I think they can write that they begin to say well Supermed is not a picture, we know for picture now. I don't talk again. But 3 years now, they just still they the same thing. Then we talk say when they can say don't go over, they can do like don't know side. It takes APC government under President Nkrumah 10 years for that come from 400,000 to 700,000. And that happened after we get the Ebola hit. We investment can do. It takes SLPP just less than 2 years for letting 300,000 or more for that come from 700,000 to 1,060,000 or 7,000 now. 2 years. Now God knows what will happen inside 5 years. So then he said today, where President Nkrumah do interview, very honest, he said the HPL from 4,000 euros to 6,000 for austerity measures because we don't want Ebola coming in order for people come around society. Then go and make them sell Black Monday all because of that. Then it takes them less than 6 months for learning HPL from 6,000 to 9,000. Now PL up to that you know 6,000 and 7,000. So you see the dishonesty. It takes them less than 1 year for learning police cement from 40,000 to 70,000. And rod from 2,500,000 to 6,000,000, 7 million per ton. These are dishonesty. Look less price. Everything we think that salon now the price of price is over 100%. So if you are coming all one effect of so all of it and the then if you say if the whole body, then still all know say no, me na APC man. But I swear to me God, salon big pass APC. I want to see that you not to APC.
Excellent points come with Quetta, because in terms of the economy, many people they discover now say the kind economy or the kind economic triangle so Ghana the country right now. The untold economic triangle so Ghana with country right now. We no one they see in type. This is not the worst ever Salo economy don't become. And the proof in day. Because recently we see the Afrobarometer report where come on say some tell them they sell 700 leons 2018. It got to this year, it got to 7,000 leons. When I check the percentage increase, now 900%. So that one even that push our rest. When they sell 1,200 leons, now they say they sell 2,250 leons. When over 108% increase. So that one is well established. I believe say many people understand the area. But again, now they talk about this corruption business, this white paper business. The issue is here is we don't see less when they send for weed and give it and say them poor people when in school not getting for it. That rest they then say this current administration say one party minister and chiefly rest. When almost 1,000 bags of fries. That case in a certain ton will not see anything. The rest will not see the minister of the long and state time. Is that a good example for people who say they want to fight corruption?
Well, make your little people say, where somebody wants to fight corruption, you need to get the blame game. If you want to fight corruption first, from the beginning, then say, stick with the street now from a young one, this year. Me, I've been not saying President Bio could never make a better president. He needs to do any changes in a better changes. If you been do, I'm for surprise. But I will do because I know the role we play during the empire cities, there wasn't them do. These are people God give for a young age. All the confident. Here is Africa to here is Ghana. Now all is the same age of the Nigerian camp. It takes Ghana to another level. Here is Nigeria. Now ministry them Mutala Muhammad them. This worry them. Burkina Faso, Nasomo Sakana them. All the colleagues them. Look at the small Gambia Yajame. What Yajame do? In 1994, at the same age, it takes Gambia to make Gambia some tourist attraction. Then you tell more than they inside 4 years, then wreck Salo economy. Take the money, we all know, buy us in America, Canada, go to Ghana. So you know, I know the federal man for Canada this country and say they can do better things because if you take the money, they invest a saloon, a day saloon, it will be nothing for do. But you take the money, go over 20 years. No investment. Like so, once we do inside 20 years, after we rule 4 years, one thing, so you need to expect that man they can do better things. So people know say you will never make better changes. But now, if you come into one campaign corruption, it's fine. We support you. Maybe you don't want to lesson. But how you compare corruption, you get the corruption like government. The chief minister with this one, I don't know London for decades. I got no more here on TV. You know, ever build rules, and now he build host. Now you want to see President Nkrumah with on the 10 years as president. You know for build somebody have a business entrepreneur. You get an insurance company. It's enough for build host. It is most of the ministers in the bylands in the build host. You know what they do? All the others in the bill now, they didn't record to see him because they will hide. This man, if you manifest corruption, they're not accusing the chief minister, you know, ever. They're not in fact defending them. Let me give an example of President Nkrumah. President Nkrumah, the first person they ever accused the cabinet for corruption, the mayor of Freetown. What would he do? He allowed for let them go. Although they not find out one thing, they say paying for the charge for paying for lack of supervision. The same office where chief minister is who, now they Dr. Itakonte Mendy, the chief of staff, they accuse them for corruption. President Nkrumah released them from office. You know, ever can they again, although not like guilty, but never can they again. These are men where they accuse people in party, the speaker, the clerk of parliament, with SMP member of parliament, all accused in company for corruption. They're not like nobody. The chief minister was accused, say they pay money in account, $12.1 million. They not ever call for investigation. Now the Minister of Education, the deputy, they accuse them saying 45,000 bags of rice missing. They investigate and then go court. From there, we see this president and send them back. And this man serious of corruption. Then they keep them here. And then tell them they look for Okulam because I call them the hidden truth. If that is corruption, we set example for every president follow. This is how we say corruption. The same way the world is at the standstill, a pandemic will affect the whole world. I say intake taxpayers' money. It goes enjoy honeymoon with UF. This is the man where they can't tell people you can't fight corruption. This is the man who don't travel past any other president in the world. He say we fight corruption. If they go, if they come, they explain. This is the man who say the sorting for salary and they will come. It increased his salary with over 200%. When I ask how much they pay right now, almost the President Nkrumah. This is the man who say they can't fight corruption. The minister say with them indeed. During President Nkrumah, then they pay the 11 million. Now they pay over 40 million with an allowance over $10,000. When I ask this, the fact that this is the one who says they can't fight corruption. They ate money for themselves over 40 million salary now. Then there will do allowances over $10,000. This is the man who say they can't fight corruption. I just highlighted here for people to understand the level of dishonesty and deeper. Because if you want corruption first, you can't force it cut off your hand first. Look the president of Tanzania, Magufuli, win. He cut off everybody's salary, he reduced them, he said for letting him boost the economy.
Okay,
this
thank
man
you
can be over 200%.
Olande, because what you highlight a very sensible point here. Because they say charity begins at home. Where you want first, you can for set a good example. But you don't highlight so many, plenty corrupt practices there. We don't create doubts on the people in mind say, hey, but how comes there people that say they want first corruption? They will see that they swim per corruption, basically. Because we also remember when the last Auditor General report, we say over 141 billion Leos disappear like a black hole. Let's say you never know waiting who money go, who no go. But these are just some of the things that way I believe some plenty Sierra Leoneans are aware of and things say no, this will not believe what to the see. So we not say this as some just sort of witch hunt and try for use corruption for intimidate political opponents and persecute political opponents and I don't believe say the people then go stand for them. Common Quetta, the other thing they go to see from this administration now mixed messages. One of the notorious one recently is that they said the chief commissioner of anti-corruption say he invites the former president na the corruption officer go interview and other waiting and call where people don't understand. Then suddenly now they say well no, then they go meet at McKinney. Then another one they say no, the office at McKinney, all kind of mixed up information, and this all they create unnecessary tension. And also they strengthen the political instability in the country. And this is they help people for all go do business in the country and encourage them and create the climate when they go do business in the country. No wonder when they highlight say 30 on see one investor go in the country. What now you take for that all shenanigans, this all confusion and messages and all those sort of things.
Well, I don't like just pay attention back to where the corona becomes. I believe say like if Papa talking will stop picking up for talking again. You see say this for this government come, all man getting orders that they get executive order number 1, executive order number 2. All man the PC, all man are boss, you know they say in the military they want to say they when they take charge. That make us say president, you don't know how you sign your office like Cobot. They say when they take charge in the military. Now the panel say President Biyoki pull your instruction during Corona. He make press list, he don't talk everything. The following day, the Minister of Social Welfare, they pull the you. Minister of Transport and Aviation, they pull different press list for one way Corona. So if you have been this way, Ben Kefala do, he say instead of the make your own press list, we get for the CID, not the first one, it's not happening so many times. The first thing we come out, the president give you order, the vice president give you order, then the Sunday, say executive order number 1, the president clean it 4 o'clock, when the president say 12 o'clock. Imagine this is president order, say cleaning for that from 6 to 12. Sunday say they extend them, say 12, meaning he supersede the president. So because, not so, I don't say, now imagination of government them in deeper. If you look at corruption, let me tell you something. we want to corruption, you appoint credible people them, na credible position them. You don't say finance ministry, the way it's the for this country in budget and day-to-day running. You take somebody with a room and parliament day, you go to the Minister of Finance, you see you have corruption. JJ Sapa, now room and parliament day, it's the finance minister. You know, take somebody like Lima, where you not get a single room for himself. You go to the Deputy Minister of Internal Affairs, you have corruption. You know they don't have corruption because you don't get. Look at the appointment them. People don't know about job. Look how it appoint. You take presiding, you appoint and so you take you have a care go so. You still have corruption. You take the whole family, they put there inside the government to have corruption. You don't count the corruption more and more. Because you take 30 people them to appoint them na credible position them. Like when President Kumar became, Emil Samura Kamara, on that Zankaba, but he was credible. President Kumar appointed as Minister of Finance because he done the job, he gets, you know, at least he appreciable, you know, cheap again like that person not get that thing. At least he get who said sleep, he get what get for himself. Yes, the parliament get TV bicycle for himself, he don't get for himself, he go to the finance minister. What's he expect for happen? So your appointment don't tell you you don't get forget corrupt government or you forget corrupt government. It depends why they appoint people them. You know, we get to look at that thing the if me were appoint post as finance minister, I will look at the credibility, what he be done and what he gets before I change the position. You know, I tell you, President of the government is not in charge. Chief Minister they give you order, Vice President will give you order. Come on. Anybody can get order na salon right now. Anybody can just call the police and stop them. Nobody. All my just fit in and get the power. They say it's a pauper, and a pauper the rule. What is the pauper? Anybody can you call in the president. So you see mixed messages, mixed instructions. Ben Kempala, you don't take the time for humility from our president and the APC party. You just have to look. How you go look over 100 people in the government instead of all thief. He put people in the private investors them. He put university when I see that posted visitor. They're not invite person no. The university they invite the building. The go they invite they put up a corruption. You imagine you see how the team that's so rich hunting. Not to peer thing, they just want the economic tell you something. This is a long-term plan president people execute. That's what Albert Mugabe in 1965. If he say he would muscle the opposition, he called this criminal libel law, called Bokutin there in 1967, he lost election, Salome to one party state. That's Salome going to one party state. Simple one. President Biona a replica of Albert Mugabe. Complete replica, even more than Albert Mugabe. Instead of the same thing he achieved. So he will carry for most of the opposition, then the other goes after 5 years. No. I don't tell them, see, if even President Biya appoint Fatima Biu as the next commissioner, not going to make you win the election because if you have win, you get for work. The people in choice, they get for call. If they vote, all man they vote. When they vote, they will call the job. So, we know they pay plan to appoint anybody. Injustice for work. When they vote for a back, President Kumar win 2012 election. In first 5 years, all man what you do. Even at the southeast, the vote increasing. Even at Kalau, the vote increasing. Even at Kenya, the vote increasing because they all be pleased. President people make up and say left his power. But they tell them about with the confidence, you don't get nothing about him because even if education are messed up, naturally that for they come.
Okay, thank you very much, Comrade Koita. And again, please, I want to remind people on this platform, please, people to watch the program live now. Tomorrow we'll get another very, very interesting interview also tomorrow. But it will be in the afternoon at 3 p.m. UK time. It will be 2 p.m. Salon time. Una join me, please. We'll get people where be very critical players them. Now the AFRC term them and the RUF term them. Where you for come get a message for doing all Sierra Leoneans them. So that'll be very, very, very important interview tomorrow na this platform. And again tomorrow by 8 o'clock p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. Salon time, we get a cross section of all the representatives from the political parties, from NGC, APC, C4C, SLPP. They all go in at this platform here. So, like what I'm also, this platform is a platform for all Sierra Leoneans. We're very objective. We bring kind of the facts to Nayasu. As I will see them, and we will be the judges. And today we get this remarkable gentleman where na Comrade Koita. When a person don't suffer for in political belief, where they don't do all kinds of things. Can you imagine? Over 30 days, the man be there in solitary confinement, when they lock an almost some size small room, when they're able to see Sean Science, where you know that in itself now a violation of your rights, in your human rights, according to the Geneva Convention. Then also, they don't do an account of waiting the happy in that massacre at Palemba Road, where plenty of people died. So we're really happy. We believe say most of una don't get that information, and it's really emotional to some people. I mean, it's really sad for make we Sierra Leoneans they treat to fellow Sierra Leoneans that can wait. But again, communicator, we want to thank you plenty. And now that same invitation, what's the latest status of her now? Is President Nkrumah coming to the ACC in Freetown on Monday, or what's the latest information on here? Because like what I said, the messages are too mixed. We never know the message they change from every minute. All man they can't bring on a press release. So we don't really know, and people are really curious, and people are very cautious and very, they're really worried about the security situation of the country. Because they can't say they create unnecessary instability in the country. So what's your latest understanding of what's the team for happening on Monday?
Well, me, as far as the media people for the APC party, I don't call the leadership in attention with every Sierra Leone and the APC members, supporters, sympathizers with Sierra Leone. They know say President Nkrumah will do very well. I don't call on them. We will all meet up at the party office on Monday. We will go left the chairman and leader, that the Anti-Corruption Commission will answer to the call. Because if you see, come on, they make a report, they summon a former president, they make a public, they talk at BBC for insult the man and for bring the man down. Well, we know when are the members them, when are the grassroots who don't tell the former presidency, make it come, make we match them from party office. Every man be chief as alone, you know who as alone. Nobody the follow for ICC. But if you not be chief, they do good. It help people them. It develop this country. People will go out in numbers for West Coast. And we up till now will stand by that one day. We don't tell the we don't encourage the former president. If you wish to let come, we the go left hand. And I don't also tell the police and the military to let them be professionally. We don't need them. We don't take permission to them for work out to chairman leader for Kanguna ICC. No. They're only for they around you for provide security. Because if you look at the law constitution and the police law, they're not telling if somebody want to demonstrate for take permission to police. No. If you tell police tomorrow they demonstrate like provide security for me, period. But we don't demonstrate so they come up when they go demonstrate, they come up and protest, we just match the chairman and leader of the Congress, the former president, many senators say it takes another level for go left hand. And for proof to the world say the way how over Fana were not a BBC reporter, and an SFP reporter, because I can tell people, let's say, 10 years of President Nkrumah, all the road the way make, all the good things, my Fana report, none. But everything to do now, when I negative report them. Now, within opposition, it is demonized the former president, right now, Facebook page, on our BBC, if they want no one like the same report, we might have talk, the region make enough for can them for go back and rebut the statement, say for really best known to them. But we, the APC, we, the grassroots, and me, one of the media first, we are the talk the untold truth for putting the hidden through them and encourage the president. If they don't pretend to this level, they don't keep quiet for too long, they don't get a chance for too long. Now make it come and prove the world say it's not to be criminal, they don't as criminal, they don't live as criminal. Make it come now, ECC. Like come on now. Like with the problem, like it come. The party, we ready for rally and match go left and ACC and match us back in the party office as the chairman and leader. And that's what we wait for. We will not get any letter from ACC for say the president no program. They will not see one for talk say there's not the master because in propagation and media say the president they don't invite them for can answer on the 5th on Monday for can answer to query them for cheap thing and now until they go na media back they pull up. We still they wait for Monday for escort the chairman and leader when the former president Dr. Anibai Nkrumah for come back in the ACC. And that's what we look for. As we say, what the president will do so now recipe for chaos. How you go look the company, the predecessor, somebody will help you when they opposition yesterday. Somebody will sorry for you, give respect, protect you, and they tell you, if you want to be President Biu, is it like don't die or in the jail? You don't attempt coup d'etat for President Nkrumah. For now you go drive block president come but treason and if you mean the president, that is or maybe the part of the security of President Nkrumah, it will be the end of every story because everybody is right for secure your president. And they tell you, like Chris President Biu in come by right now, they need to kill him. You see, follow content. You don't go kill President Biu, again peaceful, life in peaceful. He go help them and they invite him. He had to buy back for himself, then say they charge the man for treason. Peaceful, the man would give the security and say, this will not be back on there. They charge him for treason. The way they happen and they say a long position of observation. Imagine somebody drive convoy right now before President Bureau in convoy. How they would do? They will kill them. They take in convoy, they go block president in convoy. In a democratic state, you know, I tell you what they do, now arresting for curiosity. But I want to tell people, President Bureau in your grave. I will say without any fear because I'm sure 2023 in a common power. That way, the president will not like I'm going to get good advice. Respect it. For God's sake, Natalo no longer look Liberia. Look Ghana. Your drama mama. Look Nigeria. Good Jonathan. Now we no longer change. But President Kuruma, when one of the decent presidents the way Africa gets, where they're proud of, then this man the one can be little. Now he can improve himself. We ready for program. We ready for resist anybody will say he will count disrespect to the president, former president, because not a criminal. Every man be criminal, we left wrong. But we always have out of Salo, we invite for camp, so they have a program of what I say. So we still wait for Monday. We go left at the ACC. Let go answer to the thing that they say it's thief, because we know say not nothing. We know say not any contract. He just do all within the law. If you listen to JFK, all the president do is do in conformity with the law. Nothing that the transport minister, nothing that minister of works. In a contract they decide for develop saloon, we will make rule. They say cosmetic. We can do that cosmetic rule. One of that former president. For university with the bill. Do the bill, they are saloon. So now man can we wait for them. Me we get for be part of the man, they get for them. See go na ACC.
Okay, thank you very much, Comrade Quetta. I mean, we're very, very happy for getting on this platform. You know, a person very objective and the way they talk the thing them as how you see them to the best of your ability. I know say we get people that will get different opinion, different political persuasion or different opinion, that is fine. But you, they talk waiting you see to the best of your ability, and we appreciate you greatly. And like I say, we thank God, thank you for your life, and people will be there with you back where suffer that injustice. You know, that gross human rights abuse when we are in a Pademba Road. So thank God, thank you that God will protect and guide you and tell that today you will give an account of what happened. So I mean, for wrap up, I want to tell people because I will give the last word and to Comrade Quetta. But I want to tell all man at the chat room, thank you plenty for all our patience. We will get some technical difficulties for a start, but we'll manage for overcome them, and this program will manage for able to get a thorough analysis what's happening at Parliament and what's happening at the country. They like today from the Comrade Quetta. So the tell and thank you plenty. I said plenty, thank you. So tomorrow, like what I said, about 3 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. Salon time, we get people from the AFRC and the REF. We'll be there, Pada, Wala will be get our country. We get a message to us Sierra Leoneans. Then go at this platform here so. With the CEO of them and owner, Mr. Prince Emil Koma. Then also the same tomorrow, 8 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. Salon time, we'll go a cross-section of representatives from NGC, SLPP, APC, C4C, ADP, all the other parties. We go then a panel of discussion for talk about what thing they happen in our country. Like what I said, plenty they happen in our country. Where plenty of food not glad. One of them the untold economic hardship they see in our country, where people they suffer all about the country. So do please tomorrow na join we for that, and I believe say we go appreciate the message that people get for country. We Comrade Quetta, I want to give you the last word. For let's summarize all things in relation to the country where they happen in our country, the political, the economy, the social fabric of situation. How you see them from your own angle, from your own perspective?
Well, I talk in a very genuine manner. As somebody actually say, we all belong to political party, but if you can't national issues for every party, we talk the national issues them. Today, the economy will not get nothing good for talk about them. Even during the war, Guinea money no overtakes a low money. But don't see today outside, Guinea money get value pass a low money. We don't see it now. The dollar not ever go in this kind of increase. No price no high like high so today. You know, if you look at something happen, the political tension, the divide where this alone, you know, ever happen for over 60 years. One day Salon will not get division. One day will not get kind of nepotism. One day will not get kind of hate necessarily I see between the northerners and the southerners complete. You see, say, now, even it don't affect marriages. So you see, we try to get in there and they married happily. Now, we don't see married, they don't begin divorce because of this kind of hate speech. We say Minimum no money to me again. Minimum no money again. Don't this year, you know, because President Bill's administration now hate speech and campaign. And Salone, the no follow will unite so much that the no follow gets sober in that marriage unity, the no follow gets religious tolerance. I want to say for today, Salone, Odena Hamok, like we want to know Hamok. Anything can happen at any time. Because something happened at Salone today, the recipe for chaos. We get for stand up as a nation. We get for stand up as Sierra Leoneans. We say no to this particular regime. This is a hate speech in the count. This is a divided rule in the count. This is a tribalism in the count. We get for say no to them. We get for say no to nepotism. We get for say no to selective justice. Where this is a set of people go so far, all they enjoy. We get for stand up as a nation because Sierra Leone not pay so many prices. All get democracy. We could be kicked against military government. We fed we say one democracy. We don't get some. And for the past 15 years, we don't get shift transition of power. We don't get 3 successful elections from 2007 to 2012 to 2018. 3 successful elections with no political intimidation. We don't say from President Nkrumah for 10 years. You don't lock nobody in jail because of political belief. You don't lock nobody in jail because they condemn them. We say Alpha said in the American because President Nkrumah can cause. He can't alone. They don't arrest themselves. We said him go radio and television. He said coup d'etat. They're not even Hulam. You know, so many things happen. They don't have the benefit of democracy. They say the right to protest, the right to freedom of speech. Now people enjoying that democracy. Some people say one democracy. But sure that is regime. If you talk, I talk for Sierra Leone, I go jail. If you oppose, then they arrest you. So we get for kick against that day. There's nothing is working. We are not in a democratic state. Rather, we are in the junta regime. This is junta regime, not a democratic state. My last word is we Sierra Leone. Now we all stand against that day because we don't go let government change. Other man can do what they do, so they oppose. So for that not happen, we get for stand and say no to build this administration. We get for stand and say no to build this in dividing rule, in tribalism, in nepotism, so that we'll get a better scenario for picking them or great grand picking them or future picking them tomorrow.
Okay, thank you very much, Comrade Quetta. And again, we'll tell you thank you because we really appreciate your time. You take your time from your busy schedule for come talk about some very, very important issues today. And we at this platform, the Cooking Tom, are very objective. We do for us Sierra Leoneans. We said they send message to the current administration, the SLPP government say the mixed messages are not good for the country. Now they face an unprecedented economic hardship in that country. When all things don't ganga, can you imagine even Pepe rise up by nearly 900%? You know, that is unprecedented. No one day happened at the history of our country. But this continued political intimidation, when they create political instability, it's not good for business people in the country. People in they do business in the country. Always in a sedent here, they feel unstable. They don't invest the money, it's not good. If people don't want to go invest in the country, potential investors, then they see all these things when they harass opposition people, then intimidate them, victimize them, do all kinds of things against them. You know, use the fight of corruption as a weapon against the opposition. It's not good for the country. Salon, now we all country. We are not treat yourself with love and respect. And justice is very important. Let the justice be for all man, not for one person no more. So family, I want to again taking plenty for our patients with all the technical difficulties. Because they say all good things must come to an end. And this interview will be a remarkable interview. And I believe say some of the time and frequently when they get Comrade Quetta will come again and explain to me some of the issues. They quite when I bought are very conversant with the political happenings in the country. And they see plenty to them and upon they talk for the interest of all man, regardless of APC, SLPPC, 4C or NGC. And they talk for the interest of all man. So they appreciate at this platform here and you always welcome for come back. So family, when I don't forget, tomorrow we'll get very, very important program there when I can join. When I join me by then 3 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. Salone time, 8 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. Salone time for some serious and very, very interesting program then. So ladies and gentlemen, family, want to know all bye-bye. I will tell you, I say thank you plenty. God bless you all. God bless the country. Mama Salone. Thank you. God bless you now.